Now we'll set up the WordPress site. We'll be installing the themes and the required plugins. Once it is done, then we'll install Jet Engine. First things which we'll need to do is go to settings. We'll click settings, and from here change the time zone. You need to change it to your respective time zone. For me it will be India. I'll go to under Asia, save the changes. Now I'll also change the tagline. Okay. Save the changes. Second thing which I'll do, change the permalink settings. In this setting we need to choose post name, save the change. Once it is done, we'll go to the appearance, check the themes. The current theme installed 2020. Theme which I'll be using is Hello. Click on add new. Go to Hello and install this. Once I install it, I will activate. Now the Hello theme is. Now for Hello theme to run, we need to install Elementor. Click on install Elementor. Elementor free version will be installed. Once Elementor is installed, we'll activate. As you can see, there is one plugin which is Elementor free, which is installed. Second plugin which I'll be installing is Elementor Pro. Add new. Then I'll activate it, giving my as you can see, Elementor free and both have been installed. Let's see how a site. This is a blank site which looks like this. Next plugin I need to install is Jet Engine. For that I need to go to CrocoBlock website and open a new tab, search for CrocoBlock. On CrocoBlock, select Jet Engine, open, choose install. Once the plugin is updated, installed, I'll activate. This Elementor Pro has a new version, so we'll click on the update now. Now you can see the Elementor Pro has been updated to the latest. Now I'll install one more plugin which is called Auto Element. Uninstall. Once it is installed, now you can see there are plugins installed. The plugins are Elementor, Elementor Pro, Elementor Elements, and Jet Engine. We can also see the themes are installed. The themes are Hello, and 2020, but we don't want 2022, and so we are going to delete it. So only theme which is installed is hello. Now in next tutorial we'll start building the website.